Hey guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing very well and are safe at your home. In this video, our main point is to discuss that how creativity is important and how creativity can change anybody's life and why creativity is always rewarding and necessary. So the point here is that everybody do have a unique kind of creativity, but it depends on them that how they use them. Because if they use them constructively, then it can change their life too and their societies too. But if they use them destructively, then it can spoil their life and it can be harmful for their society or the community. That is why it is very important to use the creativity and should be used in very constructive manner so that it can affect community very positively and make some growth to them and change their lives too. So basically the story is like that. One king was there, and king basically was having very huge empire and doesn't have lackness of anything. He have anything, he have everything, and if he want anything he can get at the same moment, right? But the problem with the king is that in just his previous war he had lost his leg, and currently he doesn't have leg. He's one leg, he only have one leg, and he was very obsessed with his look, he was very obsessed with his physique, with his strongness, with his gentleness, with his smartness. That is why he want to portray his image in the current physique so that he can feel happiness with his look, with his physique. So he just called his ministry that call upon several painters, artists, so that they can portray his image on the canvas so that he can feel confident by looking that image. So ministries followed his guidelines and called upon several painters, artists in his majesty's palace, and all were gathered there in his palace, and the competition is started. Now one by one, greatest painters came and showed their paintings to the king, but king doesn't seem to be happy. King just want to look himself in the painting as a strong with his complete physique, but no painter seems to make him happy with his painting skills, with their painting skills. So at last, king just announced that don't we have any single artist or single painter that can make me happy with my painting on the canvas. So later he just announced one prize that I am giving one more chance to all the painters of the society, and that if anybody can make me happy with their painting skills, I will reward them, I will award them one very important post in my ministry, and will also award them very valued jewels. So it was a very great opportunities for all the painters. So once again they tried, but again they all failed, because after looking one more paintings of the greatest painters, king was just got depressed by looking his image, because he doesn't have one leg in that image, in all images. So later then, one painter came to the palace and said, Majesty, just give me one chance, I will surely make you happy. So the greatest painters who got failed after showing their skills to the kings got laughed on him, that how will you make kings happy? We, the greatest painters, get failed in that. So king politely said that okay, give this man a chance, but if he get failed, he should have to serve his whole life as a slave for me. So that painter somewhat get scared, but due to his confidence and due to his intelligence, he just got agree with that condition too, and started his painting on the canvas. He just portrayed the image by using his imagination, by using his creativity, by using his bravery and showed the painting to the king. After seeing the painting of that last painter, king was very much impressed with him. King was looking very happy by looking that painting that was made by the last painter. So all the painters got surprised that what this painter did something extra that we can't able to do and make the king happy. So according to the rules, guidelines, and whatever price have announced, that painter was got that important ministry's post in the king's ministry, and also got important jewels, important valued jewels. So all painters was very surprised, and only one they are only having one questions in their mind, that what is there in that painting that we don't have. So that painter just use his imagination, he used his creativity and just draw and portrait the image of the king on the canvas just like that. One side look was there on the painting in which a horse was there, and on that horse king was sitting. Now just imagine, king is sitting on the horse with his one leg down on that side, which we are able to see on the photo because it is one sided. What is on the other sided we are not able to see because it's none of the point now. We just want to see whatever in the front look of the picture, because picture was the image that is portrayed by the last painter was one sided look of the horse, in which king was having one leg which was down that side, having looking very confident, looking very strong, very handsome, and there is no chance, there is no point of showing other leg because painting was of that one sided look. So that creativity of that painter, the imagination of that painter lead a huge difference to other artists, and at the same time he got so much rewarded. So the point here is that by using our creativity we can change our life. By using our creativity in a constructive manner we can change our whole life, and creativity is always rewarding. So use your creativity in a very constructive manner and play a very positive role for society. I hope this video may be useful for someone, because everybody have a kind of talent, everybody have a kind of unique creativity. It's upon them that how they use them. So guys, if you enjoy this video, then please like, share and comment. If you have any kind of critics also, then you can comment. I am ready for that. Thank you so much guys. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.